Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing out there today? Alright, guys, I am back this time with another tool. Okay, as you know, this channel is an affiliate marketing channel in which I show you different affiliate marketing programs, home-based business opportunities in which you can make money simply sharing a product or service, okay, and receive a commission um, for doing so, for everybody that signs up with you. Okay, I'm a full-time internet marketer, affiliate marketer, and not only am I showing you home-based business opportunities and ways you can make money online with different products or services, I am also showing you marketing systems or tools, guys, that you need or can use to market whatever business it is you're in. Okay, so this is just another one of those videos today. I'm bringing to you a texting uh, platform. Okay, this is one I just got started with it, and the last one I was showing you was the SMS Phone Leads, which is an awesome one. Love that one. Why I like this one even more is because you can send out 1,000 text messages a day. Okay, actually more than that. So I was looking for something like that to bring to everybody else as well. And this one doesn't have any monthly fees with it, guys. It's just a one-time fee. Okay? And the text messages are very low as well. And I'll talk about that real quick. I'm going to try to make this one short, though. I just wanted to bring it to you guys just to introduce it to you. Okay? SMS Leads Network. Okay? So, and I've done one, what did I do? Two. Did one last night? I've done two, I believe, messages that I've sent out. So, I want to bring this one to you. One time, 197, guys. 197 bucks one time. Okay? Now, it has an affiliate income stream built in with it. It's a reverse one-up. The first sale comes to you. You make 100 bucks. Your second sale goes up to your sponsor. And then after that, you keep all the $100 commissions. And they come directly to you, and you decide how you want to receive them. Whether you want PayPal, it's up to you. You just put that in your profile, and that's how the person will send that to you when they purchase this system, this platform, okay? And as I mentioned, very reasonable. No monthly fees, okay? So I'm going to show you real quick. This is one of the capture pages. Really, really nice, okay? And then let me show you. I'm going to show you a few things. Hold on a sec. Okay, you're going to get this nice landing page, guys. It's going to be branded to you, has your picture on it. So once they opt in to one of the capture pages, you see this landing page. You earn 100 bucks, as I mentioned earlier, on every time you resell this SMS Leads Network system. You can check it out right here. Like they say, 99% of text messages are read very quickly, within 3 minutes. So nice landing page he put together. Here's some details on it. Okay. Here we go. Reverse one up, as I mentioned. $97 admin. You're going to also get 10,000 leads with this too, guys. So that's awesome. So you're going to get 10,000 leads. I'm going to show you real quick a few things about that too. So 10,000 leads. You make 100 bucks every time someone purchases this system. So it's 197 member to member. They're going to pay you directly. You get this replicated website. You get pre-written text messages too, guys. And you get there's three, I believe it's 3 capture pages in here. Autoresponder built in as well. So basically, you can just use this little system. They opt in, they'll get the autoresponder emails and everything. Okay, here we go. Okay, and there's video tutorials. It's really easy. It's like 5 steps, guys, to set this up. Not hard at all. Once you just watch the videos. Press play, press pause. Play, pause as you go through it. 5 steps, okay? A training area and traffic sources, okay? As well in here. Okay, bonuses that they're giving you. And as you can see, got my picture there, my information there. So you'll have your picture there. So when they land on the page, they're going to watch the video and they can get started. I'm going to show you how it's going to look there. So you're going to join right there. Now let me show you the system real quick. Hold on one second. All right, so right here, see there's some capture pages. There's 1, 2, 3, because that's the landing page, and there's an FAQ page. I'm going to show you some info there. But I'm going to show you right here. Let's see, if I click here, still getting acclimated with it. Right here, you'll see if I click Q, I can see where my messages went out. So I can feel confident that, see right here, 8/2 is when I started. Here's some messages. What I also like is I can customize. Like each one of my text messages, I put the person's first name, okay? They show you how to do that in the training. I put the person's first name, and then I put my message, and then we put reply stop to end, okay? So that's pretty cool. I click history. Again, see, I can see my messages, what I actually sent out, okay? So this is a pretty cool little system. We got resources. I mean, it's a full little marketing system for SMS. Right here is getting started. Hold on a second here. Okay, once you get in your back office, guys, you click getting started, sending SMS, and it's step by step. See, that's step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5. 5 steps, that's it, okay, to get this up and running, okay? Now let me tell you, what I was impressed about was the cost. For 1,000 text messages, it only costs $7.50, okay? So for what, $37, $38, for 5 days, you could send 1,000 a day for 5 days, and that's what, $37, something like that. Let's see. All right, $37.50. Okay, so you can spend $37.50 a week and send out 5,000 text messages. I'm just giving you the bare minimum. You can send more. Now in the beginning, they only want you to send between 1 and 2,000. Okay, so just to get you acclimated with the system. After that, you can send more if you want to send 10,000. So for 10,000 text messages, it's only going to cost you $75. That's crazy. So that's why I had to look at this one and say, hey, of course I'm keeping SMS, the other one as well, because it's a residual income. But this one gives me the option to send out 1,000, okay, and still make a commission on referring others, okay. So you cannot beat that, guys. So check this out. You click advertising options. There's email blast, text blast. It's just other advertising in here, built in here. Ringless voicemails, Facebook scraper, Udemy, which is one that I use for traffic, for solos. So it's quite a bit. And here's your bonus right here, bonus leads. It's quite a bit of resources in here. Sample ads, guys. They give you text ads that you can use. There's a tracker back here. There's even banners. Let me show you. You can post these banners different places, and once someone clicks the banner, it goes over to your capture page. Okay, see right here? So you would just literally copy that, and there you have it. You have some banners you can use, and they click it, and then it goes, see right, no monthly admins. It goes to your capture page, and they'll opt in, okay? So this is real cool. Like I said, I could not pass it up. So let me show you real quick the FAQ deal. Hold on, let's see. Okay, so on this particular page, you can check it out once you opt into my page. Right here it tells you in the FAQ section, how much does this cost? 0.075 per text. So $7.50 per 1,000. Okay? That's bananas. $75 you can get 10, you can send 10,000 text messages. Now, the difference with this one is you pay for each number. So pretty much every 1,000 you're going to need a phone number. So let's say you want to do 5,000 text messages. You're going to need 5 numbers, which is $1 a month. No big deal. Okay. So that's what you will be paying monthly for your numbers. You're going to need one number per 1,000. So 5 numbers for 5,000. Okay. So right here it tells you that. Okay. But other than that, guys, you just pay for your credits and you just go. You just send your little message out. Real simple and easy to do. Let's see here. Real easy. What you would do is go over here to the left. It says SMS broadcast. You would click there, and then you go right here and you would click your contact group, and then you would load your leads in there, guys, and then just follow the next step and type your message, and boom, send it out. Okay. So this is, I think, a well, let's see, what's the word I'm looking for? Invested, invested product. Okay, for $197 one time, you get the $100 back on your first sale. So right there, you know, pretty much you break even. The $97 is the admin fee. So you pay $197 your first sale. Someone pays you $100. Okay, so. And then depending on what you're marketing, you can use this as a actual business, guys. If you don't have anything to market, you don't have a business, you could just do this. Send the pre-written text messages. Every time someone signs up, you make $100, $100, $100, $100, and not do any other business. Just refer people to this tool. Okay? I want to show you what it's going to look like too. Hold on a second here. When you click get started. Okay, so you're on this page, right? Once you opt into my page, you're going to watch this video, guys. Then click get started. Okay. I just want to show you what it looks like. Make sure you're on my page. And you come down. Okay, right here, first of all, it's got my info in there. But right here it says your sponsor will be. And it's got my name, and then it says Postcard Diva. Okay. That way you know you're on the right page. Real simple. But it's going to automatically go over, and I put PayPal as my payment processor. So you would just go there, copy the link, and boom, the link is already it's already the $100 link. So all you're gonna have to do is just press play. Pay, and you're gonna be good to go. Okay, so that's a brief one. Just wanted you to see another option for texting if you want to send more text messages out. This is the way to go. A one-time payment of $197, no monthly fees. You're going to pay for your phone numbers. For every 1,000, you will need a phone number. So if you wanted 5,000 text messages, you just need to buy 5 numbers, and they're only $1 a piece. So for $5, look at the return you're going to get. Because if you have something that you're offering, whatever your business is, if you know the commissions is $50, $100, $250, $500, $1,000. This thing you're receiving more back than what you're paying for this little system. Okay, so take a look at it. I'm gonna put the link below. Go ahead and subscribe, and then click the notification bell so that you can be notified when I upload new videos. Once you take a look at this, if you have any questions, feel free to give me a call. I'll be happy to answer those, and I'll put my info below. I'll see you guys on the inside. You guys have a blessed day.